Hello and welcome back everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create an account over the Trello and how you can use Trello website for managing your projects, and then you can easily align them in your own way. So first of all, let's open Trello website. So I will just type here Trello and the website will show up. This is the website trello.com for managing your multiple projects in a single website. You can do all of this stuff. So first of all, you have to create your account. So I will just go for get Trello for free. Okay, I will just tap this button and a new page will open in which I have to sign up my account on this website. So I will continue with Google button and then I will select my Google account in order to create an account over this Trello website. So I will just select my account and I will just click then continue. So that's how our account will be created over the Trello. Okay, so now I'll just click on this create your account and our account over the Trello will be created in just a few single or few steps. Okay. So when you sign up on your account for the first time, then this kind of interface will open up in front of you. So it's asking me like for what purpose I'm going to use this Trello website. So I'm going to just use it for track personal tasks and to-dos. So I'll just click on continue. Okay, and then there will be some welcome messages. You can just read them, all of them, or you can just skip them too. Okay, it's showing how you can use this website's feature. Okay, so I'm just skipping them because I'm going to tell you how you can do this on your own. You can also use ready-made templates, or you can also create your own templates as per your requirements. So here you can see that we are getting 14 days free trial. I will just go with the trial. I will just show you how you can use it. Then you can buy your membership as well. So I will just go with the go to your first board. Okay. So that's our Trello board, and I'm just skipping these details. Okay. In this section, you can see there are 4 sections. The first one is inbox section. Okay. The other one, this is the board section, and you can also add this planner section here where you can plan according to your calendar. Okay, so I'm just hiding it right now. And the third option is board section. Okay, this is a board, and you can create multiple boards, and then you can easily switch between these multiple your you can say workspace or your Trello board. Okay, so let's say we want to create a project in which we are creating a post for our blog, and so I will just write it as creating a blog. Okay, I will just edit it, create a blog draft. Okay, so I'm just writing a blog, create a blog draft. You can also add description, you can also add labels, dates, checklists, and you can also add team members. Okay, so that's how you can add your task. Okay, so I have added today's task. So I will just change it to like in follow-up. Follower, you can say it's in progress. Okay, we can do it in progress, or you can also write it as to do. Okay, so when you are just when you done your work, you can then add this here as done section. You can then easily take your project to this one. When you create a blog, when it's in progress, you can move it to this one, and when when you complete your blog draft, you can then send it into the done section. So that's how you can easily manage your task, and you can also keep track of your tasks. Here you can also add your email gadget here, so that you can get all of your email, everything in this section. So that's how you can easily manage your daily projects or your daily tasks. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.